my brother Haigen and my dad. It's his birthday.
Birthday!
There's your birthday helmet for the day.
Thank you.
Well, let's go. It's gonna be a pretty wicked day. Woo! 60 years old. Off you go. Birthday wheelies.
A little airtime on that one.
Yeah.
It felt like my track was 10 feet up in the air and it was maybe an inch.
That's funny. Okay, go give her.
Okay.
Hopefully you can see your crown.
My first drop of the season coming up.
Woohoo! Oh, that was a heck of a line, Dad. That was an awesome line.
I needed that heavy duty ski-doo bumper, I guess. Did I bend it?
I don't think so.
I just kind of nut into it thinking, well, I'm not gonna mow it over.
Yeah.
Holy moly.
that was an awesome line.
It kept going up, so I just kept her pinned.
Wingardium Leviosa.
Hey?
Oh, I'm not a wizard. Man, you're lucky you didn't freaking fall down there, Dad. That would have been a long way.
As soon as the ski hit up here, it was a...
Oh, it was kind of funny, actually.
It was a mother tip.
I watched the whole thing. It was a mom tip. It was literally... He also pulled the tether off like Mom does, too, when she's frustrated.
Oh, I didn't even die?
No, he just like freaking pulled it off like Mom does.
Did you just fall on that log?
Yeah,
there's a body
he
imprint.
fell right there.
Oh, that's funny.
And it was like slow-mo, too. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, turn I can do this now.
Okay, I got out of the way.
I got her.
Dad is killing it. 60 years old today. Pretty awesome. That was hilarious.
I didn't see it. I don't know how the f I hit that.
Oh, you just barely hit it. Like, I honestly think your ski, like, hit it even.
That was a fun ride.
Yeah.
Pretty sure I was dying in an avalanche, just panicking. Time for another half an hour rest.
A little bit of gas if you can.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, that is a good one. That's a really good one.
I am sorry.
I think we're in a windfall section.
Oh boy, here we go. Here they go. Oh my. Jesus Christ. Whoa! Oh my God, that one looked like it exploded in your face.
Okay, watch over this one. It might blow. Woo! Yep, 60 years old.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Thank you. Thank you. Awesome day.
Woo!
Awesome day.
Mountaintop birthday ride.
Yep.
That was a good way to end it off.
Yeah.